Hello everyone, welcome back to the Permabear. This is our October 23 edition, and I hope that everyone's doing fine wherever you are. And yeah, for those who are on Gate.io, thank you very much for being here early. And we're going to discuss things that may help you in your trades today. Okay, and for those who are on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And also for those on Facebook, do the same. Just follow. And if you have any if you want to join the chats, just enter your comments. And yeah, so let's proceed, and maybe we can take a look at Bitcoin charts right now. Okay, so I think we're getting a bit of a dip at the moment. Let's zoom in closer. Yeah, so we came from 67,800, and yeah, we got a bit of a dip, but generally, or yeah, obviously, we're just moving sideways. Okay, and we're going to analyze this in a bit. Of course, we're going to take a look at the news and some of the charts that we're considering. So yeah, before we proceed, if you're on Gate.io, please make sure to follow. I will really appreciate all your support. And here in the Permabear, we're taking a skeptical or a critical approach in analyzing the markets. We're obviously very cautious in believing hypes, and of course we're considering factors such as RSI, whether or not your tokens are overbought or oversold, and we're taking a look at MACD, and also macro factors that may contribute to certain momentum changes in the markets, in the crypto markets. So yeah, so let's see. I have a checklist, of course. Let's pull it up. Okay, we're going to close that one out. Okay, so yeah, so we're going to discuss the news, the stock market, Bitcoin ETF flow, the Fear and Greed Index, RSI, MACD, and just for fun, we're also going to discuss meme coins. Okay. Okay. So yeah, if you want to join the discussion, just feel free to chat. And if you have your token suggestions, we can discuss that as well. So I'm going to tell you the perfect time to short your token. Okay. So right now, let's head on over to the news. Let me just pull up CoinDesk. So obviously, CoinDesk, in my opinion, is pro crypto. It sometimes, or most cases, promotes hypes. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so let's check on this news item first. So let's zoom in. Okay, so Gary Gensler on tensions reign over crypto approaches its twilight. So this news item, okay, just tells us that Gary Gensler's reign is about to get done. Obviously, Trump is ahead of polls, so most probably we're going to have a Republican president. The U.S. I mean, the U.S. is going to have a Republican president, and if the Senate or the Congress of the U.S. will be dominated by Republicans, then it's really very it's going to be very bullish for the crypto space. And yeah, so one item that I saw here in this article is Gary Gensler may not step down automatically and may wait for the expiration of his appointment on January before he leaves. And he has an option to wait until President if ever Trump wins, he will wait for Trump to appoint someone to head the SEC. Okay, so that's his option. But traditionally, when an opposing party wins the presidency, the sitting SEC chair vacates or resigns. Okay. So Oscar Cesar, any Moda coin? And we're going to discuss that later. So obviously these days meme coins are the thing, and I'm not going to suggest any coin at the moment because in my opinion Bitcoin is in the short term, maybe in the next few days will still dip a bit, and when we see that Bitcoin has reached a certain level of being oversold, then that's the time we can look for tokens to bet on. And obviously I believe that historically speaking, RSI actually becomes stronger when by November or between towards the end of the year, during having years. So 2016, 2020, the RSI has been very good on the months of from October, November, December. Those are the months that RSI has been peaking, and that means that it's going to be a very bullish next few months for us. Okay, so Sumin, so I really cannot pronounce her name, so just Sumin, hi to you as well, and thank you very much for dropping by. And if you haven't followed my channel here in Gate.io yet, please do so. Okay, so again, we're going to discuss some items that will educate us to be more cautious and to bet safer in this space. Okay, so yeah, also Gary Gensler is about leap. Obviously, if President Trump wins again. So I'm looking at some other news items here, but before we proceed even further, let me just close this at the moment. Yeah, I'm just checking on some of your chats here. Okay, so let me just look at all of this, and I'm looking for something that may give us some hints on what's going to happen. The planet. All roads lead to inflation. System. Okay. This. Solana. Okay, so not much news aside from yesterday's news when Bitcoin initially dropped. Okay, so let me check on Gate.io's news section. Maybe we can find something here. And while we're waiting, of course, please make sure to hit that follow button. And if you're on Facebook or on YouTube, just subscribe to the channel. I'm reorganizing and customizing my channel to apply this theme, which is the Permabear theme, where we take a permanent bearish stance on this market. So obviously, we're not always shorting everything. We're just taking a bearish outlook and bearish stance on the price movements. Okay, but of course I know how to spot undervalued tokens as well. So I also do long bets in some cases. Is that Solana? Okay, so there seems to be not much news that we can find here. Obviously, Bitcoin just moved sideways. Okay, let me show it to you. So this chart is actually just been moving sideways. This is the 15-minute candles. So where we didn't see any major moves really, unlike yesterday when we saw Bitcoin dip from close to 70K. So from 69,500 down to 66,000 I think. So yeah, so we're now just a little bit above 67K. But it's pretty much sideways still. So we're waiting for the next major move from Bitcoin. And as I've mentioned, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to dip a bit more, and I'm waiting for for a price that's close to this crossing area here. So this is this price point is around 62,400, or so around 62,200 to 62,400. Okay, so if you're a bear and if ever Bitcoin hits this price point soon, that's the time you can start thinking of exiting your short bets. So yeah, let's go back to our checklist here. We're now going to check on stock market. I was actually looking for a news item about the 10-year treasury yields. Okay. So let's let's zoom in on this. So for the Asian market right now, we're looking at some positive movements from Hong Kong, China, Australia, and Japan. Japan is down a bit. Okay, so although we see this news item, Tokyo Metro share surged 45% on debut after Japan's largest IPO in 6 years. Okay. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, so last night, let's see. So the U.S. Stock markets stalled last night or yesterday. So I'm in Asia, so this is last night for me. Okay, so we see that yesterday the markets actually were tanked. However, today the Asian markets, most of the Asian markets except Japan, are rallying, and yeah. So I just actually saw a tweet about the 10-year treasury yields pumping in value. So this is there. Of course, that if you're into the stock market, you know that that's most people believe that that's pretty bad for stocks, and of course, especially to crypto. That's actually probably one of the reasons why crypto is a bit weak right now. That 10-year treasury yields, it's been pumping. Okay, and we'll take a look at that chart later if I find that tweet again. Okay, so anyway, we'll see if today's stock markets will rally up, and maybe it will affect Bitcoin's price a bit as well. Okay, so for those who just came in, thank you very much for dropping in and checking out my channel. I hope that you're enjoying your day wherever you are. And we're now moving to check on the BTC, or the Bitcoin ETF flows. We'll see if BlackRock accumulated more. So we saw for the past 11 days, I think, that we have net positive flows or net inflows for Bitcoin ETFs. Okay, so let's see. Ta-da! Okay, so we saw yesterday the first day since October 11 that Bitcoin has a net outflow. So it's negative 1.94K of Bitcoin, probably because of this, you can say, FUD that's happening. They may be seeing weakness in the markets, and they may have decided to unload some Bitcoin or sell some Bitcoin yesterday. Okay, so let's see. How do I movements. Okay, so we see grayscale. Grayscale did not. Okay, Fidelity. BlackRock did not do anything yesterday. Or I'm not sure why this is blank. So usually it should be 0 if they did not do anything. So we'll see. Maybe this is not yet updated. However, we saw ARK selling 2K of Bitcoin, and maybe this, of course, this is the major. Yeah, this is a major outflow yesterday. Okay, so again, this may be the start of this huge Bitcoin institutions to start selling. If you're going to take a look at the pattern, so let's zoom in again on this. So okay, so we cannot see the previous one. So in most cases, these patterns, they once they sell maybe 1 week continuously, and when they buy continuously as well. So if we see 1 day here, that's when they sold, then where we can probably expect more selling in the next few days. Okay, so just be wary of that. If you have long bets on the Bitcoin and maybe some other L1s, then you may want to rethink your position. Okay, and yeah, make sure that you have set your stop loss limits, and be wary that be aware that Bitcoin may slip further down. Okay, and this ETF flow is really an indication of Bitcoin's price movement. If you're still not aware, Bitcoin's prices these days are dictated by the movement of this big or these huge institutions, and it's mainly driven by the actions of Bitcoin ETFs. So when this Bitcoin ETFs dump, Bitcoin's price will dump definitely. Okay, well, if you are still, of course, not aware, retail investments or the general public are still not yet into crypto, and all of the price actions right now are dictated by these institutions. Okay, so if they sell, then Bitcoin's price will definitely drop. Okay, so let's see what the fear and greed index is at right now. So yesterday it is at 70, and today it's at 71. Okay, so even if we're just seeing sideways movement, and even if we saw that net outflow yesterday, or actually it's still today in US time. So maybe this fear and greed index is just not updated yet, and it has not taken into consideration that net outflow that has happened just today in the US markets. So I'm expecting that tomorrow this fear and greed index will go down a bit. Maybe you can probably see it go to 65, or maybe even on the neutral zone already. So, and especially if Bitcoin's price will dip to maybe 65K, that's definitely going to cause this fear and greed index to dip still further down. So again, if you have long bets right now, maybe you can reconsider. And of course, if you're a bear, if you have seen my live stream yesterday, you cannot take a long-term bear stance or bear position at the moment, since I'm expecting that this bearish trend will not last long. So Bitcoin will definitely, historically speaking, I'm expecting Bitcoin to pump huge in by November. Okay, so of course nobody knows when it will start. So just to make sure, if you're already in profits, maybe 7 days into this dip, you can take profits, and then maybe you can consider placing a long position on Bitcoin, especially, and maybe some of the other L1s like Ethereum, BNB, and Solana, and Sui, of course. Maybe even Aptos and Con. You can consider those as well. So yeah, but definitely don't be I hope that you won't be stuck in your short positions if ever Bitcoin goes back up already. So just maybe if you hear some very negative news already. Right now, there's still no negative news that we're seeing. Okay, but once the very negative news come up, that's the time to get out of your short positions, and probably wait for a confirmation signal that that the Bitcoin pump is ready to resume already. Okay, so yeah, right now we're going to proceed to RSI. Okay, so let me just maybe we can discuss what I discussed yesterday. Okay, so RSI. Okay, so this is our RSI. Let's zoom in on it. So you see that our RSI is now at 58 or 59. So at this levels right now, 60. So as I've said, if you were following me on this channel, I you can say that I predicted that when Bitcoin hits this 70K overbought level, it's going to dip. That's what I said maybe a week ago, and indeed, when it hit the 70 point mark of RSI, it dipped. Okay, and it still continued to dip at the moment. So we're going to need to observe this closely. Okay. However, if we zoom out, looking at the monthly charts, okay, and then I'm going to highlight the points when. So we're going to look for October of halving years. So October of 2020. So between October and November, so around this point. So let me. So this is the point where we're at right now. Okay, so at this point. Okay, and then 2016. Around this point. So right now we're here. So as you can see, we're almost at the same levels as previously, as previous previous halving years. So, however, if you're going to observe, or if you're going to compare with previous halving years, the next the trajectory or the trend is upwards. Okay, so we see that the RSI has started or starting to peak during October of halving years. So we can expect that we're going to go up, and the peaks are around March of the next year. Okay. December. Okay, so January 2017, February. Okay, so around February or March, that's when when you can probably consider selling. Okay, so but however, historically speaking, October to November and up to January, that's the time to consider, or to avoid betting short on the markets, especially on Bitcoin. So if you're a momentum trader, I would suggest, or if you're an investor, I suggest that you wait a bit. Okay, or if you want exposure already, you can probably already buy right now. Still, of course, if we're talking about Bitcoin reaching 6 digits, it's the price right now is still cheap. You can say that. So, however, if Bitcoin will dip in a major way, maybe if it goes below 60K, then that's probably the best time to buy Bitcoin. Okay. So, but we cannot wait really that long, since historically speaking, we are expecting Bitcoin to pump. Just considering that this RSI charts. Okay, so yeah, that's for RSI, and we're going to now check on MACD. So again, for those who are on Git.io, thank you very much for dropping in, and I hope that you're enjoying your day. And if you haven't followed the channel yet, please do so. Okay, obviously we would have wanted an admin to join us right now, but no admin yet. Okay, so we're now going to discuss MACD, and later, when we still have time, we're going to check in on your favorite meme coins. So MACD. Okay, so this is Bitcoin's MACD at the moment. This is 1 month. Let's look at the daily. Okay. So what I'm let's zoom in on this. Okay, what I'm waiting for is for this MACD line. Okay, so that's this is the MACD line, the white line. Okay, and this is the signal line, the yellow line. So what I'm waiting for is for this MACD line to go down and cross the signal line. So once this happens, once the MACD line crosses the signal line downwards, then that's actually an indication, or uh, that could signal a momentum towards the downside. So we can expect further dips if that happens, or when that happens. Okay, and if you're listening to my previous live streams, I'm expecting the dips to go at least a week. So, but if this MACD line crosses this signal line, then we can probably expect up to 2 weeks of dips from Bitcoin, and we can probably see dips up to the end of the month, or maybe until the results of the U.S. presidential elections has been announced. Okay, but definitely once a new president has been declared, it's going to be we're going to see a pump from stocks, and also from crypto. So that's probably the time when we will see Bitcoin finally breach 70K again, and maybe go to a new all-time high. So again, the dips right now may last 7 days. So I think we're now on the 3rd day of the dip. So maybe just 4 more days. And if it's not going to be sustained, or if the MACD, if MACD will not go below the signal line, then yeah, we can expect that Bitcoin will already go back up. Okay, so that's for the short term. And again, for the bears out there, I suggest that you don't have a long-term bear position. Okay, and make sure that you're aware that Bitcoin historically has been performing well during and towards the end of the year on halving years, or during halving years. Okay, so I think we're going to now go to your favorite topic, which is meme coins. And yeah, one of the recent news items that I've seen is cat. Okay, cat has been strong recently, and I think I got liquidated from this token recently as well, because of its price movement. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts of cat. So yeah, we see. I wonder why I don't have that arrow signal. That arrow sign. No, that this one. Arrow. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Just check what drawing items are available here. Arrow. They put it here. Arrow marker. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Okay, so we see this long candle here, This I think was the one that liquidated me 3 days ago. So anyway, yeah, it's still showing some signs of strength right now, and yeah, obviously, I'm not going to suggest that you short this meme coin right now, and I actually decided to stay away from shorting meme coins at the moment. But previously, when I see these pumps from meme coins, I short them without thinking twice. However, recently I think I've been liquidated by this meme coins a few times. So yeah, you need to consider that a lot of people right now are really crazy. They degen to these meme coins, and they have shown that the strength of the community has really given support for the price levels of this meme coins. So yeah. So unless you see that it has been oversold or overbought already, that's the time you short it. Okay, so let's see if the RSI of this meme coin is already overbought on the daily. So let's zoom in on it. So this is CAT's RSI. Obviously, it's still not overbought, and I would suggest that you don't short it right now. Okay, so just wait for it to cross the overbought levels. Where's my arrow here? So just wait for it to cross the overbought level at 70, and then yeah, that's the time to short. Okay, so at the moment, I urge you not to short this token yet. Okay. Now, if I also would not urge you to buy this token right now. Obviously, if you're a degen, and if you're a member of the community of Simon's Cat, that's the name of the token. If you know something that that will happen, that might happen, okay, then that's the time to you may still want to invest. Okay, the thing here is I think what caused the pump of this token 3 days ago is the listing in Binance Futures. Okay, and I think I failed to see that news item, and I kept my short bet here, and then when it pumped, I got liquidated. So that's those are the things that you need to be aware of in when you're betting against certain tokens. Okay, so if you're a bear and you're shorting tokens, you may want to consider especially the listing in Binance Futures. I think I have seen quite a few of tokens pump because of listings in Binance Futures. Of course, also if it's a new token and it's going to be listed in Binance, that's also one thing that may cause tokens to pump. Okay, so yeah, that's for CAT, and maybe we can take a look at another token, another meme coin. Okay, let's try PopCat. So Popcat is also one of these meme coins that has been strong recently. Okay, and let's see if this coin is already overbought, and maybe we can. I can already recommend it for short. It's been pumping for so long already. However, it's not overbought. Let's zoom in on it. Okay, obviously it was overbought. It already it's my arrow. Okay, so at this point it was overbought, and okay, right now it appears to be on the midpoint to dip. And if you're a momentum trader, okay, let's look at the price right now. Yeah, so yeah, I'm not going to short this at this point, okay? Since it has already uh, okay, so the dipping may have already been diffused, okay, so and it may still go up, especially if especially when we're I'm expecting that that Bitcoin is about to pump soon, maybe early November, or maybe as early as end of October. So, and in some cases, these meme coins pump before Bitcoin pumps. So it means that these meme coins may already be ready to pump. Okay, and as we've seen, CAT already led the way. It already pumped. Okay, and these meme coins usually follow each other's pumps. So I urge you, if you're a bear, not to short any meme coin at this point. And if you're interested in buying meme coins, then I suggest that you find meme coins that are at a lower price point. And this token, Popcat, I think that it's close to all-time high, so I'm not going to suggest that you buy this token. Okay, so yeah, if you have some other meme coin suggestions, you can also give it to me. So let's take a look at the OG Dogecoin. So Doge is minus 5%. Okay, so the RSI of Doge has been oversold, also been overbought. Okay, and it has dipped below overbought territory, and usually if I were not expecting Bitcoin to pump soon, I would have shorted this token already, since this is actually a confirmation of a bearish momentum already. And as you can see, if you'll see that if you'll look at the Doge's price, Dogecoin's price, okay, you see that it's still on still still on its way down, and there's still a lot of leeway going downwards. Okay, so and the support level is here. Okay, so the support level is around here. So there's still a lot of room for the dip, for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin's dip. Okay, so if you want to gamble on shorting Dogecoin, then this may be a good time to short Dogecoin. Okay, so the next token, let's try SHIB as well. Since we've discussed Doge, then let's look at SHIB 2. In most cases, they just copy each other's movements, but let's see. Okay, so SHIB, SHIB was the first one to pump or to breach the. Okay, it actually breached the overbought area here. So this line, and then right now it's midway of its consolidation. So it's now consolidating here. Okay, and I suggest that you don't short this at this point. Okay, and if you actually believe that that Bitcoin is about to break out, then at this point, let me just make sure. So I'm actually looking for meme coins that has sustained the sideways movement. Okay, and yeah, you can say that this part here, this part here is already can be considered a sustained sideways movement. Okay, it has. Let's check on how many days it has been. So it's been 127 days. So we're zoomed out. Very zoomed out. Yeah. So if you believe in SHIB's narrative, then you can probably invest in this token right now, and yeah, and hopefully in the next pump you'll be able to take profits from this token. Okay, so I think I've zoomed out too far, and maybe should have just looked at this part here. Yeah, you can probably wait. I'll probably wait until until we see confirmation that Bitcoin is already about to break out. It's already ready to pump, and then that's the time to get into this into SHIB as well when that happens. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at our last token. Maybe we can take a look at Pepe. So daily, starting today, we're going to take a look at this meme coins. We're going to try to check on others as well, for you degens out there. Okay, so I think we have our admin just came in right now, and for you guys, I'll stay a bit. I'll stay a bit longer for you to be able to claim your red packets. And yeah, we're now going to check on Pepe. So it's been dipping, and let's look at the RSI. So I suggest that you wait until it gets overbought or oversold. So we're totally at the midpoint, and I don't want to suggest any bets for this token at the moment. So we are really, as you can see here, the RSI is pretty much at the midpoint. Okay, so that's for Pepe, and I think that's going to be all for our meme points today. We've discussed the 5 meme points. Tomorrow we're probably going to discuss 5 more. And I'm going to check or get a list of the more popular meme points. Then we're going to track these meme coins, and maybe I'll give you signals on when to short or to buy these meme coins. Okay. What we're looking at right now, or what we're really looking for these meme coins to for me to be convinced to buy it is a sustained sideways movement. Especially if it's close to the previous lows. If it has just dipped and then a sustained sideways movement for some period of time, that's the time we can probably accumulate these meme points, and then obviously that's what happened to Cat. Let me demonstrate, or let me pull up Cat's the charts. It's more. Okay, so this is Cat's chart. So this is the daily, and what I was saying. This part here is the dip. Okay, so Cat dip here. Okay, and then this one, when this is the base point of the dip, and when it dipped, it went on a prolonged period of sideways movement here. Okay, and if we measure it, it's how many days? So 11 days of sideways movement, and on the 12th day, so on the 12th day, this is the 12th day, it pumped big time. So maybe we can set our limit to probably 7 days of no movement from this popular. So the meme coin needs to be popular, and it should have come from a dip. from a huge dip. Okay. So this is our you can say our example, an example of what we're going to look for uh, moving forward. And then once we see that this pattern for some of the meme coins, then I'm going to recommend that we buy this meme coins, and hopefully we can also experience at least 50% off for this token, for these types of tokens, which are meme coins, of course. Okay, let's now just go back to Bitcoin's charts, and until you guys have already claimed your red packets, I'll give you 15 minutes more. So we're going to check or to look at Bitcoin's chart and observe it. So we're now again below 67,000. Okay, and as I've mentioned the factors earlier that may lead Bitcoin to dip even further, and I think I mentioned the 62K support, or trend. That's a trend line support that I've identified earlier. So again, if you have huge leverage, long-term positions, I urge you to reconsider. Make sure that you have appropriate stop loss limits. And if you're a bear, make sure that you have your exit strategies properly placed, your take profit limits. Bitcoin may turn around or may pump back up very soon. So just take a look at the news, the headlines, and once you see great fear already, you get out. You take profits, and then you can probably consider placing a long position for Bitcoin, and maybe add Ethereum and BNB as well. That's what I'm planning to do. So I'm planning to place long positions on those three once I see the perfect time to enter those bets. So again, November is going to be pretty huge, guys. So I hope that you're going to, historically speaking, that's what happens during October, November, December. That's the time when Bitcoin makes some significant moves. And then, of course, obviously up to probably January, February, and after that, that's going to be the meme coin season. So the meme coins may pump huge on January at the earliest. Okay, so if you have any questions or if you want to chat with me, just feel free to put in your chats. Is BTC suitable for long trading? SSSVB. Yeah, so as I've mentioned, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to dip some more. However, if you already want to gain exposure with Bitcoin, then if you're going to place a long bet, then just make sure that you're ready for staggered bet. So you can already place your long bet right now. Okay, but just don't go all in. Okay, and then if it dips probably to around 65k, you can, or I mean 62k, you can bet again. So just make sure that you're ready to do staggered bet. Again, we're not sure when Bitcoin will flip back up to farm. Okay, historically speaking, Bitcoin's been pretty strong on the months of October, November, December during halving years. So, however, based on the charts that I'm looking at, I'm seeing some more dips from Bitcoin, probably at least for 4 more days. Okay, and then the price point that I'm looking at is 62k. Okay, around maybe 62 to 62,500. That's my estimate of the dip that Bitcoin will go to. And yeah, hopefully there's not going to be a major fund that's going to happen, which may so of course if something major happens, then we're looking at Bitcoin probably dipping to the low 50s again, maybe 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 40s if it's really very bad. However, historically speaking, we may not go that low, and obviously if Trump, especially if Trump wins, it's going to be a huge. There's going to be a huge run. It's going to happen for Bitcoin, and maybe Bitcoin will at least go up to at least 75k after the elections. Okay, and then towards the end of the year, we may see Bitcoin probably reach around 90k, and then early next year, we can probably see Bitcoin around 100k. That's my conservative estimate of Bitcoin's prices. So tomorrow, I hope to see you again, guys. Same time, around 10 a.m. GMT plus 8. And if you have YouTube accounts, I hope that you can search for me, Permabear, and subscribe to the channel. I'm planning to put in some more content. I hope that will be helpful to you guys. Yeah, I think I forgot the 10-year yield. Let me check on it. Okay, so I think this is it. So we're seeing that it's really pumped up considerably, and the implication of this is to just to give you a short explanation. Is this is bad uh, for risk assets, okay, and that's probably why Bitcoin is also dipping right now, okay, because of this. And this is actually an indication that investors are fearful of inflation. So they invest the investors are moving towards investing in this 10-year US Treasuries. So instead of investing in risk assets because of fear of inflation. Okay, so that's just for the 10-year Treasury yield, or yeah. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin. Tomorrow, if you want me to make a prediction, so I'm predicting that Bitcoin may be down to 65K tomorrow. We'll see if that will happen. So I'm a bear. As a bear, I'm looking for opportunities to short this these tokens. So although I expect, of course, that these tokens will make pumps. I try to identify the price points when these tokens are already overbought, and if some other charts will support shorting the token, that's the time I short these assets. And also I also consider macro factors and some other peripheral items that may affect the price movement of these tokens. Any mode of fund. Not sure what you may be asking trending for trending tokens. I didn't see any. I think what I saw last time is the cat meme coin. So that's Simon's cat. I discussed it a bit earlier, and yeah, tomorrow you can probably watch again, and I'll give some recommendations. I think what I said about cat earlier is just to wait a while before you short it. So cat is not still probably going to go up. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to be overbought before I recommend short. So if you'll see the title of my channel, it's the Permabear. I'm obviously a bear, and I'm mostly going to suggest shorts or shorting this tokens. So I see that some of you guys have already claimed your red packets, and I'll give you guys 4 more minutes for those guys who came in a bit late. So again, just always stay safe in your investments, especially in crypto. And I'll provide you with some insights some skeptical insights to the markets. If you don't want to get fooled by hypes, then I urge you to listen to my live streams, follow my channel, and obviously support me in all of the platforms that I'm in. So I'm in Facebook and YouTube. So please support me there as well. And I'll make sure to give you unique insights into these markets. So yeah, for those who just came in, thank you very much for dropping in, and I hope that you're enjoying your day wherever you are. Okay, so please join me every day around 10 a.m. GMT plus 8. So again, guys, just be wary that this is again the first day when the Bitcoin ETFs has net outflow after I think after 11 days of net inflows, and usually this BTC flows have streaks. So I'm sure that tomorrow will be another net outflow, and just be careful, okay? If there's going to be an outflow again, and if there will be a sustained outflow for the next few days, then Bitcoin's price will definitely dip more. Okay, so I think I've given everyone sufficient time to claim their red packets. And I hope that you enjoyed your stay in watching my live stream. So tomorrow again, guys, same time, 10 a.m. GMT plus 8, as I've said. So you stay safe, and see you again tomorrow. Bye.